Okay, so we have the details ready for the protected flange coupling, and now we will assemble them. Sorry, we will assemble them together. So protected flange coupling, first we will assemble the two flanges together, okay, and then we will put the shafts. Okay, so first I know that this face here, so if we take this center, okay, the center of this hole, okay, and the center of this hole, okay, that should be coincident, okay, to each other. So I will move this in such a way that move this flange, enter by this top, okay, the center of the hole, okay, rotate this, okay, to this particular hole, okay. So they are merged together, make sure they are not intersecting, okay, they are merged together properly. Yeah, yeah. Now the only thing is that we need this keyway as per the direction of the shaft, okay. This has to be rotated, so I will take this key, so flange, and I will say 3dr and rotate this. Okay, I'll align this and rotate it. So I have my keyway aligned in the back. Okay, next is I will put the shafts in, and then I can put the uh, keys inside. So I'll put the shaft inside, so copy, sorry, move this shaft, I'll take the center here, okay, and align it to this center first. Okay, so my shaft is aligned in the and means it is concentric to the hub. Okay, the only thing is that now we want to put it inside, so make sure that this ortho mode is on. Okay, select this and say move, select this and say move. Okay, move by this center. Okay, make sure it is aligned only in one direction like this. Okay, and give the displacement of how much? 80. Yes. Okay, so it is the displacement, so first from here to here. Okay, okay, we can take 85 also. Yeah, we have to take 85, so we'll come back, undo, move, and I'll take from here, let's say 85. Okay, now this is coming till here, so obviously this has to come till here. Okay, so this I will arrange it here, and the total distance will be 70 because 80 minus 10, so it has to be aligned here on this edge. Okay, total distance inside will be 70. So I will take this shaft and first align this. I will rotate this. Move from the back. Okay, and align this. Okay, so we can see the keyways are aligned. Okay, now here in this case I have to move 70 inside, so move, just extend this a little bit outside so that you can give the displacement clearly. 70. Okay, okay, now I can install the keyways. So in order to install the keyways, it is very simple here. I will take the help of the 2D wireframe now. Okay, you can see the neck. This is the neck edge. I will take the midpoint of the neck edge and align it with my corner here. Okay, so I will again switch it back to conceptual, so I can avoid all the other edges. Okay, so move from the center point here, you can see midpoint, the midpoint of this. Okay, clearly aligned. Same, rotate. Okay, and I will take one more. Move from the midpoint to the midpoint of the shaft. Okay, all the keys are now aligned. This is my front. So now I need the bolts and the nuts to go inside. So first I will put the bolts inside. Okay, so I will select all the bolts, select only the bolts, not the circle. Okay, because I don't want any unnecessary edge to be going inside the assembly. So move. Now where to move it from? I will take the help of this square, no sorry, the neck center. Again same, neck center. Okay, and align it with the center here. Okay, so the bolt is coming out. Okay, from the other side I will take the nuts, the hex nuts, copy, or maybe sorry, move, and I will take the back center here. You can see this is the fillet edge. I am not taking that center, I am taking the center on the flat surface, because it is going to go and merge with this surface here. So I will select the center of this hole. Okay, so my all my four edges are aligned together. Okay, and my assembly is complete.